Hi everybody, and welcome back to American Girl Afternoon. Today, since it is almost Christmas, we are making origami boxes that your dolls can give to each other to make Christmas presents, or to give to you, or you to give to them, or this could just be something fun if you want to make your own boxes for family and friends. You can do it, but they are, somewhat doll sized, so that's why we're doing it in American Girl Afternoon. So what you'll need to do this is fun patterned paper, scissors, and that's it. You just need scissors and cool colored paper. So the instructions for this are on the Children's Department website. There is a time-lapse video that I will show in here, but it doesn't, show it very well because it is moving fast. And I tried to take a picture of each step as well to show you what it should look like as you go along each step. However, here's part of the problem. The last step, where you have to fold up the sides to, I'll use this one because it's cleaner, like to fold in the sides to make it the box, because you can see that these are just the top parts of the triangles when you were folding. Let me unfold one side and see if I can show you here. So when you get to the last step, like this part's flat and the bottom part's flat. I'll even undo it for you. I hope I'm not wrecking it. And then you pull these two sides up, and then you have to fold the side over, like to get it on the inside. And this is the part where I had the hardest time. So you have a crease up here, a crease down here, and a crease down here. You need to fold up from that bottom crease. So you need to kind of like, I had a really hard time with this. So you kind of have to like lift up from there, fold this over like an envelope, and get it to go on the inside. And it's tricky. It took me a couple of tries. It was very hard. Like I couldn't get it to lift up. So what the best thing I can say for you is to look for the bottom-most crease and then kind of like try to tuck it over from there. Other than that, this is pretty simple. I think that's the hardest part, but unfortunately that is the part that turns it into a box. So this video is not going to be much help for you, but I would suggest that you follow the instructions. And if you get a make and take kit, the instructions with the step-by-step picture are in there. The only thing that is not, there's not a picture of that last part where you have to pull it over, because it took so long for me to get that and I couldn't capture it in a picture. So unfortunately, you don't have that step, but you have everything else. So you guys are better at origami than me anyway, so hopefully you do good with these. And then you can just put little things inside. I don't know if I have anything. These probably won't fit. This is a little phone stand that's in here. You can just put it in and do it like this. Now, oh, one other thing. There are dimensions on your sheets. Those are really just recommendations, because that's what the thing that I used to get the idea in the first place. Those were the dimensions it gave. I used an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and I folded it. I folded the triangle up and cut part of it off to make it be a perfect square, because when I tried to do this before to film the video to show you, and I tried to cut it to a certain size, even using a ruler, I messed up. So that was the easiest way for me to make them a square. These, and it also says that your bottom box needs to be smaller than your top box. These were the same size, and I just folded it up a little bit so that the top one fit over the bottom one. So you don't need to worry about that too much. But other than that, that's all you need to know. I can't wait to see your gift boxes. Go ahead and share pictures with me through email or on social media if you can. And we hope you're getting ready for the holidays and have a great day today. See ya.